Hi, good morning, students. Today also we are going to have a look at individual feedback on the essays. So we'll start with whoever is here. We'll start with D1. Those who have submitted and I have not graded, I'm going to only look at those essays. Bhavani Prasad, are you there? No. Nisha Banu, are you there? Niveda, Pavita, Giripriya. Okay. 430 words is too much, man. You need to cut it down to 300 words. Okay. Have you written this on your own? Okay. Uh, Here, youth is not a proper noun, so you should not capitalize it. Where did you get the statistics? 72 hours per week. Yeah, so when you're actually writing the exam, you won't have access to all this, right? So do not mention number of hours. Just mention majority of, uh, the number of days, number of hours that a teenager spends is on social media. Okay, so just use majority or minority, so it will be believable. Again, look at capitalization over here. Positive impacts of social media. Impacts need not be capitals. Social media is a common noun, so you need not capitalize it. Okay, and in between sentences over here, when you have a full stop, please give a space after that. Even here, see, you haven't given a space. See, word itself has underlined in red in many places. You are regularly doing this. Now the problem over here is, if you do not give a space, then that software will take both these words as a single word. Your word count won't increase. Okay, so wherever you have a comma or a full stop, please put a space after that. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. I think I can grade you about 9 on 10 for that. Okay. Uh, yeah. Next, Naveen, are you there? Okay. This is 323 words, so you have to bring it down to 300. Uh, is this fully written by you? Okay, you need to look at capitalization. Over here, people is not capitalized, it's the beginning of a sentence. Similarly, children over here is not capitalized because it's the beginning of a sentence. So please make sure whenever you have beginning of a sentence, you capitalize. Okay. And similarly here, after a comma, please give a space. This looks like a typing error, so that's not a problem. Not a major problem. Hold on. I think somebody else presented. Yeah, can you see now? Okay, so here, after therefore, you did not put a, after the comma, you did not put a space. So you have to put, and this is very, no? So it looks like a typo error, so it's not a major error as such. Here again, after a full stop, please put a space. Otherwise, the essay seems pretty good. Nice. Looks like you've written on your own, so pretty nice. I can give you a 9 out of 10 for that. Okay. Next, Padma Shri. Padma Shri is already graded. Okay. Uh, Manoj Kumar, are you there? Sri Lata.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Brilliant spelling. Be careful of word spellings. Practices.
Okay.
It's okay. Not a problem. Okay. If you have written this on your own, it's a pretty good essay. Fine. No issues. Can give you 9 out of 10. Fine. What about Pavitra? Are you there? Not there. Venkat Rohit. Rohit, are you there? Venkatesh? No. Venkat Pichaya. Are you there? Yeah. What is your name? Venkat Pichaya. What? Oh, okay. Okay. Please do not use subheadings like this. Okay? Yeah. And you have written 578 words. That's too much. You need to bring it down to 300 only. You should not write 578 words, man. Why have you copied so much? Huh? Harmful impact of fake news. This is copied, huh? You wrote on your own, is it? Hmm. Okay. But bring it down to 300 words. Okay. Otherwise, the essay is fine. Right. Anybody else from D1 requires grading? From D1 class. Okay. Pavita. Right. Why have you used font size as 18 here? Okay. So all this is copied or you did on your own? Okay. We need to be careful. Some words are not separated. After a full stop, please put a space over here. It's cyberbullying. Okay. YING. Can't. You need to put a CAN apostrophe T. Similarly, here it is. What is the difference between IT apostrophe S and ITS? What is the difference between IT apostrophe S and ITS? What should you put over here? Apostrophe S is it is, isn't it? So short form for that. Here also you have mentioned THERE. You have to mention THEIR. Isn't it? Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. Silly mistakes. If you, when you recheck the essay, make sure that you take care of all this. Otherwise, your essay is pretty good. Bring it down to 300 words. Software won't let you write more than 300 words. Okay, anyone else in D1 needs grading? Bhavani Prasad, are you there? Nisha Banu, anyone else from D1 class needs grading? Pavitra, that's all? Okay. Even then, in D1, as you can see, let me just show you. Only 18 of you have submitted out of 32. So I want the others also to submit today. Do not copy from the internet. Please make sure you write your own essay limited to 300 words and submit. This report is going to the placement department. They will decide on your eligibility for placement based on this only. This is one of the reports they require. Okay. Your attendance and your submissions both matter. Okay. Let's go to D2. D2 again, only 14 have submitted out of 28. And I've graded around 6, I guess, in the last class. So let's see the rest now. Prabhu Kumar, are you there? Prabhu Kumar Monica, wow. Not there. Rajesh, Rajesh is already graded. Fine. Rahul, are you there? Karthik Reddy, okay. You have not given any space before you start this paragraph, but in this paragraph, there is so much space. Please just give one tab space for each paragraph. Okay. When you start a new sentence, start with a capital. Now here the problem is subject verb agreement. You have mentioned politicians. So you have to put help only. You cannot put helps. Correct? Huh? This S has to be removed in the help. When you write, whenever you guys write lot of, please make sure that you put a lot of instead of only lot of. Something to note. Silly mistakes. Okay, otherwise your essay is pretty good. Can give 9 out of 10 for that. Okay, Ranjit, are you there? Which Ranjit are you? Yes, sir. Ranjit, A Ranjit 199 at Gmail. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Just hold on. Let me open. Is this written by you fully? You should not capitalize actors. Suddenly, job is capitalized. I don't know why. Uh, it's not it's depend. You should change it to it depends. Okay. Beginning of a sentence, capitalize if. Okay. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. Only thing it is 379 words, which is not necessary. Okay. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good. Very few silly mistakes, so please take care of that. Okay. Next, Ranjit. V. Dot Venkat 10106. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Facebook needs to be capitalized. It's the name of a website. Okay. So here also, when you start a sentence against social network, capital S needs to be there. I don't know why you've capitalized people over here. That's wrong. You have not capitalized in many sentences, ma. Just be careful when you start a sentence. Please capitalize. Okay, and you have written only 245 words. You need to write a few more, so you can give some personal examples. Okay, right. Otherwise, the essay is fine, but lots of mistakes here and there. So I can give about 80 for that. 8 out of 10. Right, Reshma, are you there? Okay. It's only 226 words. You need to write more. See here, why word has underlined this in red? It's because after the comma, you need to give a space. Okay, that entire sentence is underlined because of that. Now it has underlined individual words because it doesn't know, it's not English, it's a name of some website. But when you put a comma, put a space after that. Otherwise, the essay is pretty good, no issues. No grammatical errors are all fine. So I can give 90. Ritika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many words is this?
309, sir.
Okay. Is this copied?
No, sir.
Fully written by you, huh?
Yes, sir.
Boys locker room. What is it? Boy, Boys, huh? Okay, pretty nice. Only thing, in the beginning of a paragraph, you have given space here, but in the second paragraph onwards, you have not given a space. So maintain the same everywhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay, otherwise the essay is pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah. Rohit, are you there? Rohit J, not there. Are you there? Okay. It dependence. This is wrong. You change it to it depends. DEPENDS. Okay. After for example, you need to put a comma over here. After friends also you need to put a comma. What is it? It's not a sentence at all. Is this a sentence? So you have to change this to over here you put a comma and write for example families, friends, etc. Now see the green underline is gone. That was your mistake. See here also if we deal with social websites, there is no verb in this sentence. It is hard to handle time. Now that green is gone. Maybe if you would have written a couple of more sentences, you would have brought it to 300 words. It's only 264, but otherwise the essay is pretty good. Nice. Okay. Anyone else from D2 requires grading? D2 section. Does anyone else need grading? D2 section. Prabhu Kumar, Monica, are you there? Anyone else requires grading? Please let me know now. Okay. So that's about it for today. Please make sure those who haven't submitted, please write an essay on your own. Do not copy anything from the internet. Upload it by this evening. Even in the next session, we'll be having the same thing. Okay. So I'll just take your attendance now and we'll wind up for today's session. Okay. Right. Whenever your turn comes, please switch on your mic. Tell that you're present and then switch it off. Nidesh, Nisha Banu, Nitish Kumar J, Nitish Kumar M, Niveda, Bhavani Prasad. Niveda is there? Okay. Bhavani Prasad, Mohan Krishna, Om Prakash, Srikanth, Venkat Naveen, Padma Shri,
Sir.
Dilip Kumar, Nitin Kumar. Who's that one? Dilip, okay. Nitin Kumar, okay. Vijay Kumar, Manoj Kumar, Sri Lata, Venkat Pichaya, Pavitra, Balaji Sai, Bhavya, Rohit, Venkat Rohit, Venkat Sai Monica, Giri Priya, Pavita,
Yes, sir.
Venkatesh, Naveen,
Thanks, sir.
Venkat Sai Krishna, Venkat Sai Krishna, okay. Pooja A, 219, 220,
Present, sir.
221, 222, 223.
Present, sir.
Next, Monica, and Praveen, 226, 227, 228. Okay. Rajesh,
Thanks, sir.
Pushpanjali,
Present, sir.
Manikanteshwar Reddy,
Present, sir.
Guru Teja,
Present, sir.
Rahul, Rajesh Kumar, Ramya, Ranjit, Udakiran,
Present, sir. Sir, Ranjit present, sir.
Ranjit present. Okay. See, those who have already told your, those who have already given your attendance, please mute.
Sir,
207. Okay. This meeting is being recorded.
Sir, 239 present, sir.
Okay. Then Ranjit, Renuka Devi, Reshma, Renuka Devi available. Okay. Ritika, Rohit, Rushi Preeta, Sadhana, Sangeeta Priya B, Sangeeta Priya S, present. Okay.
present, sir.
Sanjay,
Present, sir.
Sanjaya. That's not Sanjay. Okay, okay. Yeah. Rushi Preeta. Okay. Karthik Reddy, Reddy Lokesh, Naidu, Sanjay E, Sandhya.
Present, sir.
Okay. Did I leave anyone out?
Sir, 207 Srilata.
Okay, ma'am, marked already. Anyone else? 216, 237. Okay, all marked. Right, so please submit your essays before end of day today. All right, that's all for today's meeting. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.